Oh my god, I'm such a dumb person. Hey guys, it's Shamika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Christmas time is here. It's the 16th of December today and I have planned to set up my Christmas tree till the 18th of December. This vlog is going to be a compilation of 3 days. I'm not going to include everything in my life that's happened, but I'm going to make sure, that I show you a little insights of how I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree. I'm very sorry for the background noise, but I had to shift my room because my little baby was crying and I had to be with him. He's just trying to get my attention by grabbing everything possible around me.
Good morning.
And yeah, I'm heading out to Lakme. This is the new internship that I'm doing. Yes, I am an intern for their social media managing. And yeah, while going there, I might just stop at a store and just look out for some Christmas ornaments.
I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answer. I'm on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them? I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I'm on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last.
Christmas Day this year, I've got a plan, it's gonna be so.
And yeah, it's just, hey guys, it's a few days later. We have put up the Christmas tree and I've added these mini Polaroids as well, so they're all over the Christmas tree. So yeah, we're baking and I'm very excited. I hardly have 1.5 hours. I hope this much time is okay for it. I'm wearing these really cute earrings. So cute. Priya gifted me this. It's like a pre-Christmas gift. Let's get started. We're gonna bake this French vanilla cake mix thing. The best part about this is it's actually a mixture of everything that you need in the cake, and you don't have to get any external item to add in it except some sugar and etc. Pablo. All the 3 steps are easily provided at the back.